How to use RPass. RPass is a purchase privilege that ensures you to buy hot sale realme products. It is designed for realme fans' continuous support. How to locate RPass on your phone. You can locate the RPass in SMS or Messages section of your device. There are two ways to use RPass. One is through the Realme Store app and the other is through the Realme official website. How to use RPass on realme.com. First, enter Realme official website. Secondly, log into your Realme account. Next, select already available username. Then, click RPass channel. Select plus RPass channel. Enter the RPass code. Then, click Use Now. RPass is added successfully. Next, click RPass to purchase Realme product. Then, place an order after adding or checking your address. How to use RPass on Realme Store app. First, download Realme Store on Google Play. Secondly, open Realme Store app, then select Me. Then, select Login to log in your Realme account. Then, click RPass channel. Enter the RPass code, then click Add. RPass is added successfully. Next, click Checkout with RPass to purchase Realme products. Place an order after adding or checking your address.